It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. It's all that we got. Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you're gonna be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Hey guys, have you ever experienced an error like this on Suno when uploading your own song? This audio matches an existing recording. Our system matched this upload to a known recording. If you own the rights, please contact support at suno.com. Or an error when you use your own lyrics saying, "Couldn't generate that. Your lyrics contain copyrighted material. Please change it and try again." And if you contact or email them about this issue, you'll receive the same automated response like this.
Mama said move.
In this video, I'll show you how to prevent the errors shown earlier without contacting Suno support or waiting for their development team to fix the problem, as they haven't provided a time frame for when it will be fixed.
Cheat notebook, no one clapped, but I still took a look.
In this tutorial, I'll be using two types of tools: Creator Toolkit for song errors and VerseCraft for lyrics errors. Just watch and follow the steps.
I keep going when it hurts. I know what.
If you don't have a pin yet, you can click this button to get a pin. After that, enter your pin and click Unlock. And a notification will pop up. Access granted. Since we now have access to the tool, we can now start by using the Dismantle button. Here we will upload our original audio and save it after that.
Black notebook full of the things I'd prove. Every night enough help me make my move. Took my doubt and I cut that.
After saving, we can now close this page and proceed to the next step. We'll reassemble our dismantled audio. This next step requires more attention, so please watch and listen carefully to prevent having a problem.
Know what a hard road grows. I was down now.
Here, we need to make sure we upload the correct audio, the one we dismantled and saved earlier.
When it hurts, I know what.
Now, we'll anonymize the audio. You can choose from 3 preset settings: subtle, moderate, and aggressive, depending on your audio. There's also an instrumental option if your audio doesn't have vocals. For me, I'll use the subtle setting and make some adjustments using the advanced settings option. For my audio, these are the settings I'll be using.
When it said slow down, I speed up. When it got dark, I kept the heat up. No silver spoon, just a stubborn heart. I made a whole empire out of a star.
It's time to anonymize it. Click the Anonymize It button. This may take a few minutes depending on your device. While it's processing, make sure to stay on this page because the process uses your device's RAM. Now save the processed audio. After this process, we will now proceed to the next step, uploading on Suno.
One step, one climb, one more try, one more time, build from scratch.
Just make sure we upload the correct audio.
Started with a folder in a room too small, sagging desk, one lamp and a wall. 5 missed calls, I still wrote the plan.
Since we successfully uploaded the audio to Suno without any errors, we can now proceed to the next step. If you get an error while uploading, you can go back to the previous step and adjust the settings. For now, we'll proceed to the next step, adding the correct lyrics with the appropriate song tags, along with the Suno style.
Carry my own fine, early train seats, late night feet, aching my leg.
For this part, I'll be using Claude AI. Just watch and follow the steps.
No one clapped, but I still took a look.
Here, we'll upload our original unprocessed audio and let Claude AI analyze it for us. Take note, this is the original unprocessed audio.
Same hands, new life. I keep going when it hurts. I know what turns into.
Just copy the prompt I'll be using. I'll also paste it in the pinned comment.
I'm a folder from a room that cracked. Built from scratch, built from scratch. Every setback puts some steel in my back. One step, one climb, one more try, one more time. Built from scratch, built from scratch.
Now that Claude AI has analyzed our audio and provided us with the song's style, we can proceed to the next step. We'll prompt Claude AI to convert the original style of the song into the style we want. For this example, I'll convert it to a soul blues style, along with the appropriate lyrics tags and instructions. We'll also include the song's lyrics in the prompt.
Painted and cold, but I stayed with the pressure, stayed with the load. Now I know what a hard road grows. I was down, now rise. Same hands, new life. I keep going when it hurts. I know work turns into work. Built from scratch, built from scratch.
After that, we can now copy and paste the generated lyrics and style to Suno.
Every setback puts some steel in my back. One step, one climb, one more try, one more time. Built from scratch, and I ain't looking back. When it said slow down, I speed up. When it got dark, I kept the heat up. No silver spoon, just a stubborn heart. I made a whole empire out of a star. I wore the doubt like a hand-me-down coat, outgrew that weight.
By the way, I'm using the free version of Suno 4.5 for this tutorial.
Reason built on the days nobody.
As you can see, we got an error with our lyrics. To fix this, follow my steps. We will use VerseCraft to fix the lyrics error. If you don't have any errors in your lyrics, you can skip this step.
One step, one climb, one more try, one more.
We're going to paste our final converted lyrics from Claude AI into this section.
Ain't looking back. Started with a folder in a room too small, sagging desk, one lamp and a wall. 5 missed calls, I still wrote the plan. If I don't move now, then nobody can. I was counting change for the train by the door, eating cold food, still asking for more. One more page and I work again. One more night till the Dow wears thin. Mama said move, don't wait on the signs.
As you can see, nothing has changed in the lyrics. Now, it's time to generate our audio and see if we can generate it without getting an error.
Took the long route with a cheap notebook. No one clapped, but I still took a look at what it costs to stay stuck in place and what it takes to put.
And it works. I'll play a few parts of the audio. If you want to hear the complete result, I'll upload it on this channel.
I keep going when it hurts.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
If you just want to try the tools first, you can start with the starter bundle. which gives you access to both tools for 1 week. If you find the tools useful and become more familiar with them, you can upgrade later. The bundle doesn't automatically renew, so you won't have to worry about canceling it after the week ends. Thank you for watching.